What is up, YouTube, bro? Look, and y'all see we are back, man. The One Elite was down for about almost 2 weeks. Damn, that loud ass bike. But like I said, the One Elite was pretty much down for like almost 2 weeks. We was waiting on some rotors. Rotors never came. Rotors got delayed. It's just a bunch of stuff that happened. But as y'all can see, we back and we about to do a POV for y'all. I know y'all see the blue with the pink on the inside, bro. 360 cam and my boy Cam with the cam finally recording. About time he's recording. And my car got so much bugs on it, bro. Look, but all this is protected though. It's a clear coat, that's or a PPF, so I ain't tripping too much. And then we got Cam shit over here, big 345. Right now, what we about to do is we about to actually terrorize downtown a little bit. We about to do POV drives, go downtown, hit the bridge, you know, go through a little bit, you know. We ain't gonna go too crazy because it ain't that late yet. But we still finna make this video interesting though. So I expect you. I want to get some flybys. You gotta fly by me. You know what I'm saying? Lead, whatever the case is, bro. We finna just make this a banger video. So. Oh my god. And I got some new brakes, so y'all won't see so much brake dust on my car no more, bro. About time. But we about to hop inside right now, y'all. We about to go crazy. Ready? Push up. But this is the new maps update right here, the iOS 26, yo. Shit lit. Downside. Look at them boys down there, look. But these lights down here, bro, be so aggravating, bro. It be aggravating, bro. 4 seconds, bro. Come on. nigga just ran the red light, bro. They gotta go my boy Cam in a minute. God damn, bro. Yo, this car is so goddamn loud, bro. Yo, this shit so damn loud, bro. Yo, but y'all don't understand. This bitch is so rowdy, bro. This bitch is so rowdy, bro. This bitch is rowdy as fuck, y'all. You. Not me almost stalling. Yo, this, bro, just hearing this car, bro, will make you fall in love with a fucking manual V8, bro. Like, hands down, this shit will make you fall in love. This shit will give you a noise complaint. It's just a one-way street, bro. The only thing I hate about this city, bro, all the turns. Oh my God, chat. Yo, she said she hear me, bro. Like, I'm not even close to her right now. That's the crazy part. Hey, that's a good thing though. If you can hear me coming down the street, I mean, hey, that's good as bad. You can't sneak out. I don't think y'all understand, bro. Y'all need y'all a manual. Yo, this shit here, bro, is so much fun, bro. And I haven't had my car in so long. Oh my God, chat. Yo, the whole city could hear this bitch. Oh my God, bro. When I tell y'all this shit is so much fun, bro. Y'all need y'all a manual, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Y'all need y'all a manual car, bro. Y'all need y'all a manual car, bro. That's it. That's it. I can't go that way because there's a one-way. Here we go. Actually, nah, it just redid it. We good, bro. Back on the main street, man. Oh my God, yo. Oh my God, bro. Yo, they all need to get y'all a manual, bro. Not even a manual, get y'all a V8, bro. Or like some type of car to have fun, bro. Like, if y'all young and you watching this, bro, go have fun, bro. Go chase your dreams, bro. Go have fun, bro. You ain't gonna ever get this, you ain't gonna get this time again, bro. Never. Ever again, bro. So if you saving up right now for one of these cars, bro, go get it, bro. But make sure you work hard, bro, to maintain it and keep it, and just go from there, bro. God. Me let y'all hear that motherfucker one more time, man. Damn. Oh my God, bro. Especially at, yo, this motherfucker. Yo, get y'all one, bro. Go ahead and get y'all a Camaro, bro. Get y'all a Camaro, bro. Go ahead and get y'all a Camaro, bro. On me. If this video don't make you fall in love, bro, I don't even know what to tell you, gang. Get you one, bro. My shit is creeping out there. Yo, now you go turn green. Yo, bro, I know he got good ass footage of my exhaust, bro. I know he got some good ass footage of my exhaust, bro. I know that bitch sounds crazy, bro. I know that shit sounds crazy, bro. I gotta get that footage from him, bro. I got to. I got to, bro. What's up?
How are you?
You good?
How you
been?
doing?
I've been good.
How are you?
I get these drugs, call me granny, pray for me. This shit ain't make believe I'm never waiting, safe for me.